everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making Ayamase stew. Is what we are going to be making right away. So I already have this Ayamase stew over years on my channel, but this particular one is different from the one I shared before. So guys, just stay tuned. Let me teach you guys how to make Ayamase on a different style. So over here are my ripe green pepper. This over here I have the yellow one. I have onions. I also have crayfish over here. I have some plantains over here. Yeah, and over here is my locust beans. You can call it a roux. I have some boiled eggs. So that is it what we are going to be, this is all we are going to be needing. So we are guys, I'm going to be adding my eggs into it. I'm just going to leave it a nice stir. So delicious, guys, so delicious. So I'm going to be adding everything into it. So in the next 10 minutes it's ready. So guys, our Ayamase sauce is ready. So I'm going to be having mine with rice. Then feel free to have yours with whatsoever you want. You can also have it with yam, with boiled yam or fried yam. You can also have it with, swallow. Yeah, it all depends on you. This sauce is so delicious. You guys need to try this sauce. So delicious. Yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you also so much. And if you know today is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. See you all on my next video. Bye.